Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get better at your melatonin game. Begin by taking a small dose, usually 5 to 1 milligram, about 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to sleep. Remember, melatonin is best for short-term sleep challenges, not as a permanent fix. Always talk to your doctor first, especially if you have other health concerns. This ensures it's the right choice for you. Timing is crucial for melatonin's effectiveness. Take your dose at the same time every evening to help set your body's internal clock. Your sleep environment also plays a huge role. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. And here's a big one: ditch the screens and bright lights for at least 1 hour before bed. This helps your body naturally produce more melatonin. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. On another note, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. When it comes to dosage, start low and only increase gradually if necessary. Most people find success with 5 milligrams or less. Higher doses are usually not more effective and should be discussed with a doctor. Watch out for potential side effects such as next-day drowsiness, dizziness, or a bit of nausea. If you notice any adverse reactions or your sleep problems don't improve, it's best to stop using it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.